Hello, I'm Jerry Ford, the beer review guy. Excuse me, what is it called? They're calling it a hard craft seltzer. Um, the company, I guess, is called Blur, B-L-U-R. It has that look of what am I trying to think of? 60s and 70s kind of a look. You see what I'm talking about? The other cans, there's like 3 or 4 different flavors, and the other ones kind of have that appearance too. This one here is mango dragonfruit. Oh, okay. No, Blur is not the name of the brewery. Tupps is the name of it. It says a Tupps brewery side hustle. Oh, well, maybe it's a little side business from Tupps Brewery. Hustle. Let's see. It's a 5.2% ABV, 105 calories, it says on there. It says, we craft seltzer right. Brewed by Tupps Brewery in McKinney, Texas. So those of you in Texas probably have heard of this. Okay, well, let's just see. I rinsed this can off, but I'm still seeing some dirt in there. I don't have anything to clean it out with. Not with me. I'd have to get up and go in the house. I really hate to walk away from my camera out here after I've already read everything on this can. You guys are just going to be sitting there wondering when I'm going to return. What if something happens to me in the house and then I don't get back out here? All you'll be looking at is just the trees blowing behind me. I didn't get it all. It's just like, it just looks like dirt. Man, the wind is blowing out here. I'm just waiting to see my phone fall over. All right, so that really makes me mad. When it's in there that bad, where rinsing it out with the hard, the faucet won't get it out, that means it's in there pretty good. I'm just gonna do it. But when you guys buy this, make sure that when you wash it off, don't accept that as it's getting clean. Look at that little trough around there, and make sure it's all out. I don't have, if I had like a long sleeve shirt, I could use that, but you guys are like, can we just get on with the review now? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna be eating a little dirt, but maybe if I pour it easy, maybe it won't come out into the glass. I've been, able to check out a lot of different seltzers. They're all the ones you've seen. I've reviewed them all, but the ones I've reviewed have been new experiences for me. Most of them here lately have been pretty good experiences. When they first started off, I guess, making them, Oh, wind's the wind's blowing around some stuff, I think. When they first started making them, some of them were just almost tasteless. I didn't really like those, but now they're starting to put a little bit more flavor into them. Well, let's see what this one's like. Oh, there's a nice mango, and there's a nice dragon fruit in there too. Mango dragon fruit. Smells really good. Let's see what we got here. It's not too bad. You got to keep in mind, these are seltzers, and a lot of them, all they do is put in a hint or a splash of flavor. They're not meant to be sweet, you know, like a lemonade or a soda pop. Seltzer waters with a little bit of flavor, so you got to look at it that way. You get a little bit of mango and a little bit of dragon fruit. The dragon fruit's a little harder to pick up because it's not really sweet. So the dragon fruit, being such a sweet fruit, you almost need that sweetness to really pick it out. So there's just kind of like just a hint of the dragon fruit. You get more mango than you do the dragon fruit. So this is pretty good. Excuse me. I don't get the alcohol. 5.2, you know, you're getting up there close to the middle, but the seltzer being low on flavor, so you'd think you would get the alcohol, but I'm not really getting that. So that's a plus. It's hidden. It's a light sweetness. At least it does have some sweetness. It's very light, but it is there, and it does have a decent flavors. So it's a pretty good one. We'll see what how the other ones turn out. I'll be curious about them. So there you go. Blur. Hardcraft Blur Seltzer, or Blur Hardcraft Seltzer. So Blur is just a little side project of Tupps Brewery. That's what I'm thinking. You could probably find that out on the internet or on their site. So 2 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar. All right, yeah, cool cans. I wouldn't mind keeping those if I have room. Oh, all this copper. It just has all kinds of little pictures in there. I see a mango, a pair of glasses, could be sunglasses. A flower, a flame. It's kind of hard to figure out what it all is. There's a feather in there. Aloha. The word aloha is in there. Oh, because of the mango and dragon fruit. Okay, I got you. Okay, there you go. Check it out if you see it. If you're interested, if you're a seltzer fan, which I think the seltzer fans are not like, there's not a real big amount of them yet. I don't think it's really, I mean, the seltzer fad has really, I mean, it's kicked in, but it's just not, it's not like real big, I don't think, because I hear a lot of people that don't care for it. I'm liking them. It's not something that I'm gonna buy to drink just for my own, pleasure of it. I get them to review, and then once I've drank the extra ones that I don't review, then I don't buy them again. But they're an interesting drink to experience. Okay. I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it, and we will see you on the next one.